Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with some online exclusive products. We have the Tropical Leaf Stamp Set, along with the Naturally Gilded 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. And it comes in copper, gold, silver, with some sheets have a background of very vanilla and the others have a background of white. And this stamp set also bundles with a punch, but we're not going to be using the punch today, okay? So before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Exploring in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. You have until May 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards, comes with free stickers, of course, a photopolymer stamp set, twine and die cut accents, matching envelopes, and some copper clay ink spot, okay? We have our May 2023 host code with the special from Honeybee Stampin' Hive. When you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax and use this host code, I'm going to send you 1 package of the opaque ovals for free, okay? And this includes all new colors, the pecan pie, lemon lolly, bubble bath, and the azure afternoon. Last up, we have our mystery boxes that I can only send out in the USA. I'm having a moving sale. Everything must go, just $40 a box. And again, these boxes are filled with around about $200 in new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I am moving to a smaller space, a way smaller space, and I need to get this stuff out of here. The money from selling these boxes is going to be used to enclose my loft, which is my craft room right now, to enclose it to make a bedroom for my youngest son, because these rent prices here in Central Florida are outrageous. And yeah, children are having to move back home with their parents, and it's not a good thing to make them feel like they can't be independent. But, you know, such is our economy. Let's get started on this project. I am going to start with a half sheet of copper clay. This is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to just fold that in half and burnish it. Just get that burnished. Then we have some designer series paper here. This is 4 by 5 1/4. This is one of the sheets with this is the one with the copper. And then this piece is a 3/4 inch by 4, and we're going to cut it down to 3 1/2. We have copper clay cardstock. What is this? This is 3 1/8 by 1 3/8. Then we have some basic white that is 1 1/4 by 3. And then this is for stamping, so that's just scrap paper. And this is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4 for the inside of our card. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do the inside of our card first. And we're going to stamp with some copper clay ink. Just going to stamp right down here on the, what is this, my right-hand side. XOXO from the stamp set. And then we're going to, oh no, I did it wrong. It's supposed to be this way. Okay, that's okay. That'll be covered up. So let's stamp that again right here. I'm so used to doing portrait cards, and this is going to be a landscape card. So then we're going to attach that. Where's my liquid glue? We're going to attach this right here on this side of our panel here. Put that down just like that, all the way to the edge. Give that a moment to dry, and while that's drying, we are going to do some stamping with the small leaf. So I want to stamp one in full strength there, and the next one in the second generation of ink. Then we're going to take our little veins that go in the stamp in the leaf. I'm going to try to line this up just like that. Then the last thing we need to stamp is our sentiment. And it says, love you lots. Oh, what is that? Something was on my stamp. So let's get this centered right in here. Just like that. And that is all the stamping done. Okay. So we're just going to go ahead and glue this down to our card base with some liquid glue. Get in these corners, make sure it stays down. This paper is beautiful. I forgot I had it because I left it 12 by 12. If I don't cut my paper down, I usually don't use it because I forget about it because it's not up on my desk. It's underneath my desk in a folder that, like a little box thing that can hold 12 by 12. So if I don't have it cut up, and I don't know why I didn't cut this up as soon as I got it. I don't know what happened, but that's okay. We're using it now, aren't we? I'm going to go ahead and layer this onto the copper clay. Just like that. And we go ahead and get our scissors and cut this and make it even so that we can adhere this to the inside of our card. Come on, glue. We're just going to pop this in just like this. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is a bit of fussy cutting. So I have my paper snips here, and I am going to just fussy cut this out, and I will be right back as soon as I'm done. Okay, so I have got these two cut out. So now we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we're going to, do I want to pop these, put these up on here like this? I think I do. I think I do. So what I'm going to do is put a little glue back here, just a little bit. And we're going to put this one down first, right there. Put a little bit more glue on the back of that side. And we're going to put this one right here, like that. And then we're going to pop this whole thing up on the front of our card. Just going to put a dimension on each corner, and then some in the middle. Yes, I'm going to go overboard with my dimensionals on this. Why? Because I can. I think this one is a little too low. It might show in the front. Let's twist it there. Okay. Now just take these backings off. Actually, I need to add more dimensionals. Let me get these backings off of this first, though. Just a little bit more to go. I forgot. I need some up here on the leaves so that they won't sag. Oh, no. Okay. Me and my dimensionals. Oh, goodness. I'm sticking. Sticking. Let's not stick. Not yet. Okay. So where do I want to put it? Over here? Over here? This one has a lot of... I think I'll put it right here. About right there. That looks good to me. And now we are going to add some bling. Okay, so for the bling, I have the 2023 to 2025 in color dots. Okay, so it comes in all the colors. I have a little strip here cut out that I'm gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna get the copper clay, and we're gonna put these around our card. Put the big one there. They come in 3 different sizes. We'll put one up here. Maybe one more here. That's something. I think I want to put it here. Make up my mind, right? And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple. I like it. Love you lots. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.